two games commence. So as we can see, Taranaki Whanui has combined with Taranaki Māori. They're both from the same area.
Dante or Rore, is that how you say his name? Dante Rore, number 12, Ngati Ruanui. Shea Potaka, number 13, Ngati Ruanui. Thomas Lilo, number 14.
Playing for Auckland. There's supposed to be an Auckland side, this Kotahitanga, but they decided to change their name to Kotahitanga and separate themselves from the Auckland squad.
Oh, that's good though. When it's, I know that when Auckland comes down, whether it's in the Rangatahi, and then who's going, oh, and he scored, and that'll be
very hard to see who scored that.
Number 9. This ref sees everything.
Oh no.
They might. That's still early days yet. But yeah, good luck to Taranaki.
Well, they're moving that ball around with some purpose.
Yeah,
that's the difference. So from the 10 meters, they decide to run the short side, and he drops the ball. Just what the Kotahitanga needed. Better luck.
Hard luck to Taranaki there because
Te oma whakamua mai ai nei nā te Kotahitanga. Wa huri atu ki te rata, e nari ko kārawa te pāhi, kua whānau atu ki waholano i ai nei nā. Kua hua te whera mai te kēti, kua takahi atu te pēni hini i ai nei nā. Kua kai te oma hāre tonu, kai te kimi hāre kai hia tana hoa. Kai te nari kārawa te piro. Ātahua te piro a te Kotahitanga. Mai te toru te kaumita, nau pakaruke mai te whā te kaumita. And here they go. And a little small kick, and who's going to be there? Good.
But a penalty because
stopped.
The runner coming through was taken out.
Yep. And some of their games is in the afternoon, and some of them at night. So that defeats. Oh, this is a beautiful break. Here he goes, and a step like that, you just can't fault. And yet the defence of Taranaki is really spot on.
Well done, Taranaki.
I couldn't pick out who that runner was, but he certainly created.
Fullback for Kotahitanga.
Fullback.
Number 1.
That'll be Kino Kini. Rima miti ane mai te rārani piro ki a te Kotahitanga, kua hono mai ki tēnei taharano. E ka arawa te tuwhera mai o te kēsi ki aia.
Yeah, hard luck, Kotahitanga. Well done, Taranaki.
Very good.
Yep.
By both sides. They obviously know defence is a key factor.
And that's what we were talking about. I said earlier on, Uncle.
Beautiful try.
Beautiful try.
Beautiful combination between the centre and the wing.
3-4 tackles, and they're already there. Final. Well done, Kotahitanga.
Brilliant executed try, Rawiri.
Exactly.
And a lovely side step from Taranaki. Here comes the next try from Taranaki, and followed up, yes, Enari, but try. That's a fewer, good, determined try. Comeback from Taranaki.
He couldn't go to ground. Good run by him and good play also from
look at this.
Kotahitanga.
Alawe te moacha te tanata nei nei, ko takahia mai e te pēni hini ai nei na. Ko tirika hau kua piro, ko wai atu tēnei tanata, ko Nathaniel Tangi Mātaiti. You've got to give the accolades to the coaches. Oh, that's nicely picked up. And is this another runaway or not? No. If he'd have passed in, it could have been.
It could have been. From our eyes up there, he could have.
Yeah.
But still good play.
Oh, look at it. Throw it wide.
And still good defence.
Yeah, very good defence. That was the last tackle. That was the last tackle.
And they got over.
Come on, referee, keep up with the game.
Yeah. They don't give up. They don't give up.
Not when you've got the confidence with the tries, you can move that ball around. This guy's tricky, that number 7.
Oh,
Look at that. And the pass again. Oh, no, pushing him away. And Kotahitanga just riding through.
That was a good work up to that try.
This.
A few Gecko Productions is from Whakaue, and Tūhorangi got the Pūkeko. The Pūkeko Productions. No, the Pūkeko don't eat. They eat all rubbish, so we just started having a bit of a laugh. Here we go. Kotahitanga must be, yep. Oh. Went over for a try and lost the ball.
Lost the ball as he went over.
A big score.
Well, you can get confidence in that.
Yeah,
you can afford to spin the ball around. And throw winds to the caution, throw caution to the winds in terms of the 50-50 passes.
Yeah.
Nei te hoki umai no iai nei nā o te Kotahitanga, kua tiri kohu atu, kua tuki atu, kua piro. Ano.
And that gap was there.
But look out, here they come again.
A big boy like that running it up.
Yeah. These boys, big boys, aren't effective when they're close to the ruck.
No.
You've got to get them out wider, so they get the ball at speed.
Well, whānau, that was us for this 2020 COVID hit Rangatahi under 17s Tama final.